Newport traffic. Cherokee 257, taking the active, runway 4, departure to the south of Allen, Newport. And you're flying an airplane, there you go.
Oh my gosh.
I'm going to show you a little bit of what the aircraft, like the forces on the aircraft are. So we've got positive and negative forces that are induced on the aircraft. So if I pull back on the controls, you're going to feel yourself pressed into the seat a little bit. And then if I push forward on the controls, you're going to feel yourself be a little lighter on the seat. So if I pull back on the controls, you feel it pressing you into that seat a little bit. Then in a moment here, I'm going to go the other way. You're going to feel it nice and light. Now what I want you to do is give me a little bit of a sharper turn. Why don't you roll us over towards the Newport Bridge?
Like this, right?
You got it.
Sharper?
Yep. With a little bit of rudder. Pressing it in just a little bit. There you go. That's it. And this will take you around the corner a little bit quicker. And then you can roll back out, use a little bit of the left rudder, kick it out. Boom. There you go. See how that works?
Yeah.
See how I get over there?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a little different, isn't it? It's a lot of sensations you can feel with one aircraft if you fly it in different ways. Beautiful. Why don't you give me a trending right turn all the way back around?
Okay.
180 degrees back towards Newport State Airport.
All right. You did great. Now we just have to get you licensed.